Now, let's take a look at where the Nikkei is right now. It has changed directions, currently in negative territory, down by 0.2%. Let's cross over to Mike Fan, who's in Tokyo, with a look at what's moving Japanese stocks. Mike.
Well, Hasland, the Topix still higher, and electronics makers are the biggest industry gainers of all the groups on the Topix. Hitachi leading the gains, up by 3.7%. Nikkei News says that it's going to spend as much as $310 million to raise capacity of lithium-ion batteries, and those will be sold to automakers to put into hybrid cars. Taking a look at the shares of automakers, all trading higher in spite of a big drop in all of their sales in the US last month. Nissan leading the gains, up by 1.9%. US sales continuing to slide. Toyota selling 35% fewer cars in the States last month than a year earlier. That is bigger than analysts forecast, if we can get that on the screen for you. Honda down at 32%, Nissan falling by 26%. Investors not impressed by a merger between struggling lenders Aozora and Shinsei. You can see the shares down 4.6% for Aozora and 4.5% for Shinsei Bank. This is a $5.9 billion tie-up, creating Japan's sixth largest bank. It has nearly $200 billion assets. Now, Shinsei's CEO says neither lender dominated this deal.
The merger of Shinsei and Aozora is a merger of equals. One Aozora share will be exchanged for one Shinsei share. The ratio has been deemed appropriate by advisors of both banks.
The sixth biggest bank in Japan now, but not exactly a banking giant. 50 branches between the two of them. Compare that to Mitsubishi UFJ, the #1 bank here in Japan. 792 branches in Japan, Haslinda.
Mike Fan, thank you so much for that. Now